Have you ever wondered what stands between your precious data and the vast wilderness of the internet? That unsung hero, my friends, is the firewall. A digital bouncer, if you will, that inspects and controls the traffic that flows in and out of your network, based on predefined security rules. It's the stalwart champion of your internal network, protecting it from the unpredictable external network. Travel back in time to the late 1980s, that vibrant era of neon and big hair. It's here that the concept of firewalls first emerged. The debut of the first commercial firewall, DEC Seal, followed in 1992, courtesy of the Digital Equipment Corporation. Since that time, firewalls have undergone numerous transformations, evolving in step with the ever-changing landscape of digital security. So what role do these digital gatekeepers play? They serve to protect private networks from unauthorized intrusions, prevent sensitive data from being exposed, and block any malevolent traffic that attempts to infiltrate your network. These cyber guardians are not just reserved for high-end, enterprise-grade network systems. They are also integral to the operation of everyday consumer-grade routers. Now, for those of you with a thirst for knowledge and a daring spirit, you might be wondering, can I build my own firewall? The answer is a resounding yes. Open-source firewall software programs are available for those brave enough to embark on this challenging quest. But be warned, creating a firewall is not a task for the uninitiated. It's akin to scaling Mount Everest, minus the snowstorms, but with plenty of networking and cybersecurity challenges. If you're up for the challenge, it can be an enlightening and rewarding journey. In summary, firewalls are the unsung heroes of our digital existence, tirelessly defending us from virtual threats. They began as a fledgling concept in the late 1980s and have since evolved into an essential component of our digital security. These digital gatekeepers protect our networks, prevent data exposure, and block harmful traffic. And yes, for those adventurous souls out there, it is possible to build your own firewall. So, as we journey through the digital universe, let's remember to keep our firewalls strong and vigilant. Until next time, remain inquisitive, stay secure, and keep your firewalls ablaze. Farewell for now. All right, folks, just when you thought we were wrapping up, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of building a firewall. And remember, if you can't stand the heat, get out of the firewall. First off, you're going to need to choose an open-source firewall software. Some popular choices include pfSense and OPNsense. Once you've made your pick, you'll need a dedicated machine. This could be an old PC you've got lying around or a virtual machine. Now install the firewall software on your chosen machine. The process might vary depending on the software you've picked, so make sure to follow the instructions closely. Once you've got the software installed, it's time to configure your firewall rules. This is where you get to decide what traffic is allowed in and what gets blocked. And finally, test your firewall to ensure it's working correctly. Remember, a firewall is only as good as its configuration, so keep tweaking and testing until you're confident in your setup. And there you have it, you've built your own firewall. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility to keep your network secure. Now go forth and conquer the digital universe, one firewall at a time.